Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. Auto call recording has been enabled, but phone is not recording call. Let me go to this phone app. Tap on this Samsung phone app icon. Tap on these three dots. Go to settings, tap here. Tap on record calls. See, here this option auto record calls has been enabled, but phone is not recording any call. Let me tap on this auto record calls label. Here you can see four options. See, right now I have selected this third option, calls with specific numbers. So phone will record only the calls from those specific numbers. That is a problem. So here we have to select this first option, all calls. Done. So now phone will record calls from any numbers. So this way we can fix that issue. Ensure that here you have selected this first option, all calls. Then you can try. This should fix your problem. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.